Meaning of impala.
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 Impala. Impala refers to a species of antelope found in sub-Saharan Africa. These agile and sociable creatures are known for their distinctive lyre-shaped horns and reddish-brown coats marked with white stripes. Impalas have a remarkable ability to leap great distances, up to 10 meters in length and 3 meters in height, which helps them evade predators. They also have a unique alarm call that warns other impalas of potential danger. Due to their beauty and grace, impalas are popular game animals and are often seen in nature reserves and national parks across Africa.